Hello everyone, I'm Jeremy Holliday and I teach first and second grade at St. George Elementary, located right outside Manhattan, Kansas in the Rock Creek School District, USD 323. In addition to teaching first and second grade, I also serve on our building leadership team, and this next year I'm going to get to serve on our MTSS team as well. So excited about some new opportunities there. In addition to that new experience, I am going to be the head coach this year instead of assistant coach for middle school boys basketball. So also excited about that. And this next year I will have a student teacher for the first time too. So I just completed year 4 and getting ready to enter year 5 there. I was looking at the questions and had seen the question about the most influence in your life and who is that. And when I think of that question, I think of my dad. He's someone that I respect a lot, and anytime I'm working through a life issue, I call him and get advice from him. So I definitely want to have a relationship like that with my own son someday. And several things I appreciate about my dad is just his humility and his willingness to serve other people, and also just how he seeks to be a peacekeeper. He really strives to keep healthy relationships with everyone around him and speak highly of people. It's very rare you'll hear a negative word come out of my dad's mouth. So love that about my dad. The next question was, what was the result of your personality test? And so I scored high in 2 categories: emotional stability and agreeableness. And I would agree with those results there. As far as emotional stability goes, most of the time when things come my way, I tend to handle in a calm, collected manner. I'll take time to think about it and then respond, which I love doing that. I love to take time to chew on something before ultimately coming to a decision. So I'm avoiding speaking any words that might be hurtful to other people. So agreeableness, I would say I agree with that too. Just I get that from my dad, I think, of wanting to be a peacekeeper, be someone who is positive, encouraging, and I want to be people's friends. So my third highest one was extroversion, which ties into just being an extrovert, and I definitely see that in myself as well. I like to brainstorm new ideas. So as far as the intellect and imagination, that was the lowest score for me. And I would agree with that to a point that I can be a little more traditional minded when it comes to some things, but I was surprised at how low I scored on it, because I do like to come up with different creative solutions to problems that appear within my classroom. So next question, talking about the 2 leadership theories I aligned with the most. I picked the democratic leadership theory, which is where the leader seeks to get input from employees, but then ultimately has the final say. And then authentic leadership, where the leader is very vulnerable, very real, genuine, and isn't afraid to show emotions to people. So I would say that for the democratic, I definitely love getting people's input. I want people to feel confident about what we're doing moving forward. And I also appreciate just creative ideas that get shared. And I think it's healthy for people to get excited about their job. And that leadership style is one that makes employees feel empowered, I think, to be brave and courageous and try new things. So I do love too that I then have the ultimate say, and that I will be respectful of people with their ideas that they bring to the table. So as far as authentic leadership, I really do seek to be vulnerable and real with people. I address things that can be emotional in a way that is kind of head on but empathetic too. And so both of those leadership theories are ones that I definitely align with and I want to have and continue to mature in as I move forward into exploring what building leadership opportunities there are for me down the road. So thanks so much for watching my video. I'm super excited to learn from you all this short semester. So we'll talk to you later.